director of Camden Boss, a company based in Mildenhall in Suffolk, and we design and manufacture electromechanical components, connectors and plastic enclosures largely for the electronics industry. I'm really honoured, particularly to be nominated for Top 100 by peers. This isn't a self-publicity affair. It's incredibly flattering to be nominated by peers in the industry. Again, in terms of flattery, meeting some of the other members of the Top 100 and reading their stories and how they've got there, it's a really illustrious gang of interesting people from across a whole range of sectors who are doing things. So I couldn't be more flattered, very honoured. I think the basis for my nomination was around the fact that I'm nothing if not enthusiastic and energetic about all things manufacturing. We're trying to do some interesting and different things for manufacturing here at Camden Boss, and we are all about collaboration, driving a really strong strategy, and generally trying to think about manufacturing in a modern way, which I think has captured the attention of some of my peers and captured their support, for which I'm really grateful. I'm slightly obsessed by the fact that I'm sure if you go on any industrial estate across the UK and lifted up the roll of shutter doors in there, you'd see some incredible components being manufactured and designed for a range of industries. So here on our industrial estate in Mildenhall, we supply into a range of sectors, some really cool products, facilitating other people's really cool tech. Around the corner, we've got some people making security devices for military vehicles and race cars. It's just so cool. This is just our small patch of the world here in Suffolk. So I can't appreciate why you wouldn't be inspired by manufacturing and the ability to create amazing things in the UK. Probably all the different workforces that I've worked with. So for instance, when I worked in aerospace and defence, getting a very particular education from the guys in the hangars over the course of many years, I learned probably more from them than anybody. In my career, again, I learn from my workforce here every day. They teach me something new and interesting, be it about them as people, what they do, or through to the process of what we do. So I think it's a really wide answer, but it's the people that you come across in manufacturing, again, be it workforces or be it really fascinating customers and suppliers that we work with. Go and have a look, go and see, go and do a factory tour, go and speak to some people that work in manufacturing. The range of careers on offer are just huge. So even within my world, we employ 105 people here across multiple different functions. We've got warehousing, we've got production people, we've got all of the normal corporate functions. So it isn't just I'm going to be stuck in a building making boxes for the rest of my life. Actually, there's a whole world of stuff to get involved in.